Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today you will be showing you some easy simple hairstyles. So first we will tie the hairs on the back like this. Now divide it and then roll it upward and make a heart-like shape. Repeat the process for a few more times like this. Now tie all the hairs, divide it and fold it again, fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie a ponytail like this. Now fix the hairs in the between, tie it again from the bottom and roll it upward and fix it using the bun pins and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into small sections on both the sides, or you can say divide the hairs into two parts. Now divide them from the between using the rubber band, fold them upward and then repeat the process one more time. Fix the hairs like this and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the left side and then roll it like this. Now fix it on the right side. After that, again take the hairs from the right side, roll it and fix it on the left side. Now we will make the plaits on all the hairs. Pull out the hairs little bit from the sides, fold it upward and make the bun. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts and then roll them together. Fold it upward like this and fix it using the bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Tie them and fix them on the alternative sides using the hairstyling tool. Now again repeat the process. Fix the hairs and your hair bun will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back like this. Now take the sections of hairs again and tie them on the right side like this and then on the left side. After that, we will take all the hairs and then roll them together. Fold it upward like this and fix it using the hairpins. And your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it as shown in the video. Divide the hairs into two parts. Now divide it from the between, rotate it and then fix them on the alternative sides including each other in the between like this. Now fix them again on the top, fix it properly, tie it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now make the plaits by dividing the hairs into two parts. Pull out the hairs from the sides. Now fix it on the alternative sides, tie it on the bottom like this. Now fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Now take small section of the hairs from the sides and fix it on the top by rolling it like this. Now roll it again and fix it as shown in the video. Pull out the hairs. Follow the same process for the other side as well. Now we will tie all the hairs using the rubber band. Divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fix it on the top by tying it like this and put it inside the hairs. Fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.